Thousands of plastic bottles are discarded every hour all over the world, because it takes hundreds of years for plastic to degrade. So all the plastic bottles that have been discarded in history still exist in nature. These bottles will eventually exist in our oceans, rivers, and lakes. Investigation shows that beverage packaging is one of the most important sources of marine pollution. Fortunately, our company, Remagic, has a simple and feasible solution. Now, my colleague to introduce our plan.
The short video at the beginning analyzed the pollution caused by containers, which is urgent enough. However, the product our organization will introduce today can solve this issue efficiently. Remagic is introducing a recyclable vending machine to solve the cash caused by beverage. To begin with, the part of industrial analysis should be mentioned at first, and it also answers why our company is thinking highly of this machine. First of all, I will support my reason with two accurate data. Today, consumers go through almost 1.4 trillion beverage containers every year, representing a vast amount of packaging material that should be collected and recycled. Otherwise, it can be a disaster. According to research, this kind of recyclable machine market was valued at $310 million in 2018 in foreign market. We can see its urgency and the popularity of this machine obvious. Also, certain vital factors like the policy of waste sorting and the recycling implemented by the government show the need of recycling. So, after a brief introduction of this market, let's have a look at the design of our product. Compared with the existing vending machine, recyclable vending machine is a diverse that features in accepting used beverage containers by scanning and identifying the type of the package. Users who make the contribution of environment protection can get return of money or credits for discounts. It is a price to the users for the purpose of recycling. Briefly speaking, we can make profits by selling beverage and package recycling at the first period. Then the profits can begin from selling the machine and other advertisements when cooperating with other brands. As for the case of scalability, we need to seize opportunities and utilize the facts that resources of recycling in Wenzhou is insufficient. The policy implemented by the government in future can also provide financial support for expansion. Thus, the main strategy of development can be divided into co-branding and other cooperation with social organizations.
Now let me talk about our production plan. Our product is combining with vending machine and reverse vending machine. We use some electronic components to build a connection between two machines, and we connect every finished product recyclable vending machine to our online service platform. These are our company's location and suppliers. In operational plan, I just said our production is the combination of the vending machine and reverse vending machine. We buy them from designated suppliers, then use some electronic components to assemble them to our product in our factory. The product positioning is green sustainable products. Then, workers will install them in designated places and replenishing them by routine. Finally, we will collect the waste material and sell them to the recycling center at a certain frequency. At present, the main promotion location of our products is Wenzhou. According to our survey, there are 11 universities and 14 large shopping malls in Wenzhou. So we will put 4 recyclable vending machines in each university and 2 recyclable vending machines in each mall. Therefore, in total of 72 units. Besides, we plan to put other A machines in some communities and companies which have requirements to build green environment to make them sustainable. Additionally, Wenzhou is building subway lines, which have a lot of passengers flow. When they finish, we can put our production in every subway stations. They are alliance of our company, Wenzhou Ken University and Huolala Delivery. WKU will allow us to put some products with less rent, and we will put WKU logo on our product. And Huolala will give us some discount when we transport the machine to designated place. The main technology comes from Tomura's reverse vending machines, especially H11 type, which have optical front protection and 21.5 high-resolution color touchscreen, and is space efficient and flexible.
Now I will briefly explain our marketing plan. We have already done some market researches about current market that we have found that vending machine and recycling machine selling are both in emerging industry, which is supposed to have a rapid growth in the future, like the picture below. And our product is a combination of vending machine and recycling machine. This market is relatively new one, and it means that it have a huge market gap in it, providing plenty of opportunities for us to be successful. We also done a questionnaire survey, and the most impressive two findings we have listed in below. And the detailed marketing plans have 5 aspects. And for the prices, our prices is lower than physical store prices, but slightly higher than other vending machine prices, because we want to use a strategy to maintain the long-term customer relationships. It is like that. If you put in a bottle for recycling, and you will get discount or cash rebates, and accounting in which the actual prices you get is lower than normal prices in the other vending machines. And other than the discount and cash rebates, we will also use social media and our own website for promotion. And for the distribution, we'll use direct marketing channel, which means that we will deliver our own machine and the products, but not through any other wholesalers and retailers. And for the location, we will primarily focus on the universities and shopping malls. And in the future, we'll keep our innovation to improve and increase the functions of the machines and the variety of the products. And we will also try to get the exclusive sale rights of the new brands. And we will also take control of the safety of the foods and the frequency of replenishing the goods.
Now, let me introduce our financial plan. Here are some basics about our budget table data. Monthly sales of beverage and garbage recycling. Considering that there are 11 universities and 14 large shopping malls in Wenzhou, assuming that each has a daily sales about 40 bottles of beverage, and then the monthly sales value equal to 96,000. The weight of one beverage bottle equal to 20 grams. The weight of the bottle collected each month is approximately 1.92 tons. And the next is Excel budget, which include realistic pricing and sales value, variable expenses, fixed expenses, and capital expenses. According to the budget, the funding requirement is 944,200 RMB. The break-even point is about 5,320 in October. Our expected profit after 1 year and 2 months is about 134,640 RMB.
Okay, there are factors of our possible success or failure. Strengths. A recycle vending machine combines the feature of a vending machine as well as a recycle bin, at the same time the same place. We provide convenience, therefore we are social entrepreneurs, and gather revenues from selling both drinks and recycled material. Since we manufacture the machine by assembling components purchased, the suppliers won't have the whole picture of our machine, thus preventing our IP from being stolen. Weaknesses. As a new entrant, we don't have considerable reputation, nor existing customers. The time period required for further technological innovation can be extended, since we haven't hired any specific technical employees yet. Opportunities. The recycling feature of our vending machine meets the trend of people having increasingly environmental concerns. Other existing vending machines in Wenzhou don't have the feature of recycling, but are profitable, so our product can be more profitable than them. Threat: our suppliers of components have bargaining power. We may lose profits if they increase their price. Recycle vending is an existing technology. Therefore, although we add features such as a screen on the machine, our competitors may easily come up with another new utility with their existing technical stuff. Here come the core successful factors. Why will we become successful? We have demand. 96% of whom we investigate are willing to buy goods from a recycle vending machine. Recycling is the trend. Profitable. Our financial estimations suggest a quick, positive cash flows within 2 years. Why will we stay successful? By outsourcing the components only and assembling into machine by ourselves, we are able to prevent our design from being copied. We keep continuous innovation by regularly renewing the goods inside the machine, based on market research data, and therefore grow brand loyalty among customers. In addition, we plan to become the exclusive customer of certain drink or snack manufacturers, when possible. Besides, in the long term, we plan to have ongoing innovation in the machine itself by hiring proper technical human resources. After tasting success in Wenzhou, our company will geographically expand the business.
As for the organizational plan, I will explain it through 3 aspects. Our company is a limited liability company, and if any one of the founders want to quit, our company will repurchase the equity held by them according to the valuation of the company at that time. And the decision-making power is based on the proportion of equity of each shareholders, and who has a larger proportion has a more powerful voices in decision-making. And all decisions should be agreed by 2/3 of core operation team members or general meeting of stockholders. And for harvesting, our company plan to become a listed company in the future, and we're using the stocks to award and encouraging those excellent and hardworking employees. And this is our organization chart.
In case of contingencies, such as food safety issues and inventory surplus, we will make sure our suppliers of drinks take full responsibility if something went wrong through contracts. Second, back to the successful factors, we will adjust what goods to sell and how many to sell based on customer data. These are our backup references. We are the Remagic project team. Thank you.